Dear friends, welcome to SmartMoney YouTube channel. Here we are with one more IPO video. I hope you are enjoying the IPO review which our channel is doing. If you have any feedback, kindly write to us in the comment section of the video. CHEMCON IPO, Chemcon Speciality Chemical Ltd is a manufacturer of specialized chemical products. In this video, we will discuss all you need to know about CHEMCON IPO. Before going ahead with the video, we would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you get the notification in your smartphone. And do not forget to like the video. About the business, Chemcon Speciality Chemical Ltd is a manufacturer of specialized chemicals. The company has an experience of over 2 decades in manufacturing and export of different types of specialized chemicals. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical chemicals, oil well completion chemicals. Now, pharmaceutical chemicals comprises of the chemicals which are utilized in the process of producing antiviral and antibacterial drugs. Currently, they principally manufacture 2 products, HMDS and ancillary products. HMDS is hexamethyl desalicin and CMIC, chloromethyl isopropyl carbonate. Then we have oil well completion chemical, which comprises of inorganic bromides which are utilized as completion fluids in the oil and gas exploration process. Currently, the company is a manufacturer of range of inorganic bromides, namely calcium bromides, zinc bromides and sodium bromide. So these are the products the company manufactures. Company is the only manufacturer of HMDS in India and we're the 8th largest manufacturer of HMDS worldwide in terms of production, and the largest manufacturer of CMIC in India and the 2nd largest manufacturer of CMIC worldwide. They supply their products to domestic customers as well as customers outside India such as US, China, Japan, UAE, Serbia, Russia, Malaysia, Azerbaijan. It has a manufacturing plant at Manjusar near Vadodara in Gujarat and 5 operational plants, 3 warehouses and 2 leased warehouses. Let's quickly have a look at the industry. The global market of chemical used as pharma intermediates was valued at $25 billion in 2017 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 4% between 2018 and 2023. The global market of drilling and completion fluid is growing rapidly due to increased oil and gas exploration activities around the world. So here in the slide, you can see both in HMDS and CMIC manufacturing, Chemcon is catering to most of the domestic demands. About the company, Chemcon Speciality Chemical Ltd is incorporated under the Companies Act 1956. Having its registered office in Manjusar, Vadodara. Promoters of the company, Kamal Kumar Rajendra Agarwal, Navdeep Naresh Goel, Shubharangana Goel are having a combined stake of 70.85% in the company, and other members of the promoter group is having the remaining 29.15% stake in the company. Let's quickly have a look at their financial summary. The revenue of the company, you can see, is consistently increasing on a year-on-year basis, and in the financial year 2019-20, the company has a total asset of 225 crores and a total income of 266 crores and a profit of 48 crores. You can also see the net profit of the company is increasing multiple folds on a year-on-year basis. So we can say that the company has a strong and consistent financial performance. Also, please note that the figures are mentioned in millions. Object of the issue, the size of the issue is 318 crores. Out of the 318 crores, 165 crores is fresh issue and 153 crores is offer for sale. Funds that the company is going to raise from the fresh issue, they are going to spend the proceeds towards capital expenditure and expansion of manufacturing facility, working capital requirement and general corporate purposes. While the offer for sale, proceeds will go to the shareholders selling their shares. Now let's come to the most important slide, that is the IPO details. The IPO will be open for subscription from 24 September 2020 to 23rd September 2020. The issue type is book building and the issue size, as we have already mentioned, is 318 crores. The offer price is 338 rupees in the lower band and 340 rupees in the upper band. Minimum application is 44 shares and maximum retail subscription, as we know, is capped at 2 lakhs and face value of the share is 10 rupees and the share will be listed in both BSE and NSE. Now some important dates to remember. The offer opens on 21st of September. Offer closes on 23rd of September. Finalization of basis of allotment will be on 28th of September. Initiation of refunds will happen on 29th of September. Credit of shares to Demat account will take place on 30th of September. And IPO will be listed tentatively on 1st of October. Lead managers to CHEMCON IPO are Ambit Private Limited and Intensive Fiscal Services Private Limited. And registrar to CHEMCON IPO is Link in Time India Private Limited. Now let's have a look at the strength of the company and their business strategies. The company is a leading manufacturer of pharmaceutical chemicals and a leading manufacturer of oil well completion chemicals in India. They have diversified customer base and long-standing relationship. The specialty chemical industry in which they operate has high entry barriers, consistent financial performance which is strong financial position, manufacturing facility with dedicated plants for each of their products, and they have an experienced senior management. And the business strategies which they have adopted to further expand their business are expansion of their total installed production capacity, augmenting growth in the current geographic markets and expanding into new geographic markets, exploring newer applications of their existing products as well as focusing on new products that are in synergy with their current operations, and to continue to strive for cost efficiency. So in this video, we have discussed all you need to know about CHEMCON IPO. We have received feedback from our viewers. We should also give opinion on whether to buy or to avoid the IPO. We would like to give a thumbs up to this IPO based on the company, the sector, the valuation. However, you should always remember, you should also look at the response of the investors to this IPO. We have done a detailed video explaining the factors affecting the listing price of the IPO. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it by visiting our playlist. Also, investing in share market comes with its own risk. Based on your risk appetite, you can choose to apply for an IPO or invest in a company. So we would definitely request you to consult with your financial advisor before investing. I hope you have liked this video. Kindly share the video and thank you for watching the video.